Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment. I've got a very interesting gist for you today from the Ultimate Love. Nigerians slam Rosie for revealing she can swallow a whole banana. Nigerians have taken to their respective social media accounts and slammed Rosie for revealing she can swallow a whole banana. Rosie, in conversation with Chiddy, Arnold, Bolanle and Kachi, reveals she can swallow a whole banana without having any issues. This statement made Kachi to be devastated and wonder how that could be possible. Rosie also made another statement that her tongue can touch her nose without much stress. Recall that Rosie is a housemate at the new TV reality show called Ultimate Love. Rosie is paired with Kachi to search for love in the Ultimate Love. Reacting to the statement Rosie made that has got people talking, a Twitter user identified as Umahi88 tweeted and said, "Now he knows why Rosie was able to give birth to two sons." He stated that such wasn't out of mistake and he really pity Kachi. Rosebud tweeted and said that Kachi is in trouble as Rosie is a mad woman. Victoria O also said Kachi's expression knocked me out. Okay guys, that was what Rosie said during a conversation with Arnold and Chiddy, and Nigerians have been reacting ever since. What's your take on this? What do you think about what she said? Leave your comments in the section below, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new on my channel and hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.